In this video, you'll learn how to verify your domain in Bluehost. Verifying your domain is an important step that helps confirm you're the rightful owner of the domain name you're using. It also keeps your domain active and compliant with requirements from domain registrars and organizations like ICANN. If your domain isn't verified, you might see warning messages, and in some cases, your domain could even be suspended until verification is completed. So let's walk through the process together step by step. First, you'll need to sign into your Bluehost account. Once you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu at the top of the dashboard. There, you'll see an option labeled Domains. Go ahead and click on Domains and then choose My Domains. This is the section where Bluehost lists all the domain names associated with your account. On the My Domains page, you should see a list of your domains. If you have multiple domains, take a moment to identify the one you're trying to verify. It's helpful to double check the exact spelling, especially if you own similar domain names. This page gives you a quick overview of your domains and their basic settings. Next, you'll want to open the management options for that domain. To do this, find the Manage button next to your domain and click it. This will open the domain management area where you can control things like DNS settings, name servers, and contact information. For verification purposes, we're specifically interested in the contact details that are tied to the domain. Inside the domain management view, look for a section or tab labeled Contacts. Click on Contacts to open it. This area shows the contact information associated with your domain, such as the registrant, administrative, and technical contacts. The email address listed here is usually the one that receives the verification messages, so make sure it's an email you can access. Now, at the top of this contacts page, you'll want to look carefully for a yellow banner. This banner only appears when your domain still needs to be verified, or if the verification email has not been confirmed yet. It typically includes a message letting you know that your domain contact information requires verification. Within that yellow banner, you'll see an option to resend the verification email. Click the Resend Verification Email button. When you do this, Bluehost will send a new verification message to the contact email address on file for your domain. If you don't see the banner, your domain might already be verified, or you may need to refresh the page or confirm you're in the correct contact section for that specific domain. After you click to resend the email, go to your email inbox for the address listed in the contact section. Check your inbox, and if you don't see it right away, also check your spam or junk folder. Open the verification email from your domain provider and follow the instructions inside, usually by clicking a verification or confirmation link. Once you've done that, your domain should be verified shortly. That's all there is to it. By going to Domains, then My Domains, opening Manage, navigating to Contacts, and using the yellow banner to resend and confirm the verification email, you'll make sure your Bluehost domain is properly verified and ready to use.